In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button to a landing page in Getresponse. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can confidently add a clear call to action to any of your landing pages. First, you need to access the landing page editor inside your Getresponse account. Once you're logged in, go to the main menu and choose Tools, then select Landing Pages. You'll see a list of your existing pages. Find the landing page you want to update and click Edit Page next to its name. This will open up the visual editor where you can make changes to the layout and content. Inside the editor, look for the option labeled Add Elements, usually located on the right-hand sidebar. This panel is where you'll find all the building blocks for your page, like text, images, forms, and of course buttons. Now from that Elements panel, locate the button element. Click and hold on the button, then drag it onto your page. As you move it around, you'll see highlighted areas or guidelines showing you where you can drop it. Release your mouse when you see the highlighted spot where you want the button to appear. Take a moment to place it in a logical spot, such as under a headline, next to a form, or near an important section of your content. Once the button is on the page, click directly on it to open its settings panel on the right. Here, you'll see a field called Button Text. Replace the default text with a clear call to action, like Download Now, Sign Up, or Get Started. Keep it short, action-oriented, and specific, so visitors know exactly what will happen when they click. Next, you need to make the button actually do something. In the CTA and linking section, choose the type of link you want. You can send people to an external website, another landing page, an email address, or even a phone number, depending on your goal. Then, enter the correct URL or details in the field provided. Double-check for typos, because a broken link can cost you conversions. If you want to fully match your brand, you can customize the look and feel of the button. In the button design and block settings sections, adjust things like color, size, shape, font, and alignment. Make sure the button stands out visually from the background, but still fits your overall design. When you're happy with everything, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This ensures all your changes are stored and ready to go live.